Hello, in today's tutorial we are going to talk about rectangles. We have 5 different types to make a rectangle. First is corner rectangle. On first mouse click you start making it, on second you stop. The second type is center rectangle. On your first mouse click you are marking the center of your rectangle, and then on the second mouse click you stop doing it. When you make a center rectangle you will have also 2 construction lines inside and mark the center point. The third type is 3-point corner rectangle. For this type you have to define 3 of the points, and it's very comfortable when you want to make some rectangle which is not with vertical and horizontal sides. The fourth type is center 3-point center rectangle. For this, first you mark the center point, then you mark the middle of one of the sides and one of the corners. And the last one is parallelogram. This is actually not a rectangle. In this case you mark first corner, second corner, and a third corner of your parallelogram. So that's all.